Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're covering something both useful and important, so let's get started. I'll show you how to remove a shortcut virus from your USB drive, PC, or laptop. This method works on all versions of Windows, including Windows 7, 8.1, 10, and 11. I'll walk you through 3 different methods. Try all of them or just the one that works best for you. And let me know in the comments which one did the trick. Method 1. Command prompt. On Windows 7, 10 or 11, click the search box and type CMD. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes when prompted. A black window will open. Type this command, del*.lnk, press Enter. When asked to confirm, press Y and press Enter again. Wait for the process to finish. Next, type this command, attrib-s-r-h*.*s/d/l, press Enter. Once that's done, check your drive to see if the virus is gone. If it's still there, move on to the second method. Method 2. Registry Editor. Click the search box and type regedit. Select Registry Editor from the results, then click to User. Then navigate to Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then Current Version. Scroll down until you find the Run folder and click it. On the right side, look through the list for anything suspicious. Familiar entries like Battle.net, Discord, Epic Games Launcher, OneDrive, and Steam are safe to leave alone. If you spot anything you don't recognize, right-click it and select Delete. Method 3. Shortcut Virus Remover Tool. This free, safe tool is another great option. Click Download Now to get the zip file. Right-click the downloaded file Enter the letter of the drive you suspect has the virus. Confirm with yes, and it will take you back to the drive to confirm it's now virus-free. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.